Hey, what is going on, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the IDLER pulley on a Mercedes-Benz, but this works for all cars, Honda, Hyundai, Toyota. So when you have a bad IDLER pulley, it's going to make a noise or it's going to just spin freely like you just saw, and you're going to want to replace it. So on the Mercedes, we're going to be working on the M113 engine, and you're going to just use a 17mm socket to relieve tension off of the serpentine belt so that you can insert a little metal rod like I'm doing. I'm using a screw, but you can also use Allen keys. They work just fine. And you can, not all models are going to have it, but for the Mercedes, they do a good job of allowing you to hold the tension. So I'll show you where that hole is that you insert the pin, and it's right there. So it's right next to the 17mm nut that you're going to use to release the tension. All right, so from there, just remove the serpentine belt, and I'll show you in a separate video how to install the belt, and that way you'll know. It'll be a more detailed video. All right, so once you have the belt removed, go ahead and look for cracks and wear marks and things like that, because you want to make sure that your belt is healthy, because if it's not, that's gonna lead to squeaking, could even break, and then you can be left stranded out in the middle of the road. You don't want that. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe for more great content. All right, so now we're gonna just remove that bolt, and it's a T50 Torx bit. And you want to just be careful with this bolt when you are removing it. You don't want to snap it or anything like that, because then that'll just be a bad day. So once you get it removed, then just go ahead and take it out. And the one thing with IDLER pulleys is they can oftentimes just, go overlooked, because, they're not really like an exciting DIY or a lot of things that people talk about. So just make sure you kind of change them from time to time, and it's a very simple job. Now, one thing you can see right here, I'm replacing, this is the new one, and you see those little dimples inside the pulley right there? I'm putting those dimples facing the engine. So I'm putting it in just the way that the old one was installed. And now I'm just going to put that bolt back in, and we want to torque this no more, or actually at 25 Newton meters, because we do not want to break that bolt or strip the threads, because again, you'll have a bad day. So, it doesn't take a lot to tighten this bolt on this IDLER pulley. And once you have it torqued down, just put that dust cover back on. That's going to extend the life dramatically of your pulley. So that dust cover does serve a purpose. All right, so that pretty much concludes everything. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with a friend. And I'll see you in the next video.